What's my name? So I eat it as a sandwich. I can eat it with seed crackers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back. And as you can see from the title down below, we have some meal prepping to do and just like, getting back to the get back. Okay?
Patties.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Atten.
How old are you?
I are 2 feet. 1, 2, 3.
4. Yes, you're 4 years old. Y'all remember Ashlyn? She talks.
With G and O.
What's my name?
I told you that I told the
Yeah, I told you. So I'm about to prep. I tried to do this before anybody got back because, they kind of mess up my groove. But looks like that might not happen. So basically what I'm going to be meal prepping is 2 dinner meals, and that'll be the orange chicken and veggie fried rice. And the chicken wings, the way I'm going to season them is my favorite way, with the green beans and rice pilaf. And a lunch snack meal, which is the tuna. So I eat it as a sandwich. I can eat it with seed crackers. And the seed crackers, what kind of flour are the seed crackers made with? Had to check real quick. Yeah, they're made of seed flour. But yeah, those are the meals. And then I also want to prep like breakfast, because some mornings I wake up and I don't eat breakfast just because like I'm not a morning person and I don't feel like making breakfast to eat it. So I have these I got from Trader Joe's and they're actually pretty good. So what I do with these is I add raisins and sprinkle cinnamon. So what I would do is I would portion this out with raisins and cinnamon, and all I have to do is pour the whole bag in a bowl and eat the cereal like that. And that's one thing. And another thing is this oatmeal. It's not flavored, and the only oatmeal I like is raisin and spice. Basically, I've changed my diet. I've changed a lot, and it's strictly no hazardous additives. I'll tell y'all about it, but the app I use, you might have heard of it, the Hauk app. That's what I use to scan everything and see what additives they have in it. And if they don't, 95%, no. For me, like 98% of the time, it pops up on Yuka. If it doesn't, it lets you add it to Yuka. So you don't have to do the whole looking up all the ingredients. And another thing, the types of food that I've been getting lately, they don't have many ingredients. The ingredients lists are shorter. So that's also convenient. So back to what I was saying. Raisin and spice is the only oatmeal I like. The Quaker one, terrible for you. There's so much sugar. So I make my own. And it's not easy. I chop up a large date. If you don't have a large one, then 2 small ones. I use nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and no sugar, but I'll add a teaspoon to 2.5 of erythritol. It just depends on how sweet you want it. So I portion that out for breakfast. And then same with snacks. So this is more so you don't just be eating out of a big bag and not portioning. I'll portion these out. It's like a serving size of 5 in Ziploc bags. And I already started eating them. But some chips, I'll portion that out. And celery. So I also have some vegan tzatziki that I got from Trader Joe's and Cedar's hummus. And I can eat both of them with this or the seed crackers, but this is healthier, so this is definitely gonna be chopped up. So I'll eat this more than the seed crackers, because seed crackers is already done. Reach in and eat it. If this is already done, then I'm gonna eat it. Okay, so right now, y'all see the camera back, it's because we're about to do the mandarin chicken with the fried rice and veggie rolls. The oven is on 390. At 400, this can go in. And these cook super fast. Yeah. I just had a piece of orange chicken because it's like my favorite. It's delicious. And also, the veggie rolls come with 5, so I get a snack. Taking a meal break. Just some extras that was left over.